So in this video, we're going to be converting degrees to radians and radians to degrees. And we're going to be doing that by solving some practice problems. So let's see. So we're going to be converting 60 degrees to radians. So let's see how we're going to be doing that. 60 degrees to radians. So I will be writing the 60 and then writing out the degrees like so. This is the formula you use to convert degrees to radians. Pi radians over 180 degree. Pi radians over 180 degree. As you can see, the degree and the degree will cancel out. Then we will be left out with, let me make some space real quick. Then we will be left out with 60 pi over 180 radians. We can simplify it once again. 60 in 60 threes are 180, so it'll be, so and as you can see, we have simplified it and the answer will be pi over 3 radians. This is the answer. So this is how we convert degrees to radians. So now we're going to be converting radians to degrees. So let's see. So we're going to be converting pi over 6 radians. So as you can see, I wrote out the radians. So now I can multiply it by 180 degrees over pi radians. As you can see, we can cancel out the pi's and the radians. Let me just use another color for that so that it won't be that confusing. So we can cancel out the pi and we can also cancel out the radians. So as you can see, we will be left out with 180 over 6 degrees. So now, as you can see, we can simplify it and we will get 30 degrees, or as you can say, 30 degrees. This is the answer. So now you have seen how to convert degrees to radians and radians to degrees. So now let's solve some more practice problems. So the next question is 135 degree. So now we need to convert this to radians. Pause this video and feel free to go ahead and solve this problem by yourself. So as you can see, I'm going to be writing it out again like before. 135 degrees multiply pi or pi radians over 180 degrees. As you can see, we can cancel out some things. I'm just going to use the red color to mark it properly. Now we can cancel out the degrees, and as you can see, then we will be left by 135 pi over 180 radians. So now we are going to be dividing 135 and 180 by 5. So 135 divided by 5 is going to be 27, and 180 by 5 will be 36. So let's see how this works. I'm just gonna switch back to the another color. So now, as you can see, we are left with 27 pi over 36 radians. As you can see, we are left with 27 pi over 36 radians. Okay, that doesn't look so good, but at least you got the point. So we can now simplify it once again. We can simplify it by dividing it with 3. So 3 nines are 27, and 3 nines are 27, and 3 12s are 36. So yeah, so can we divide it any further? I think we can, right? So we can simplify it again by 3. So, and now we will get 3 pi, the pi doesn't look so good, over 4 radians. See? So this is how we simplify it. Let's solve some more practice problems. So now we're going to be converting 90 degrees to radians. 90 degrees. So I'm going to write it out again. 90 degrees multiply, this dot is for multiplying, by the way, if you didn't know that, multiplied by pi over 180. I meant pi radians over 180 degree. So as you can see, we can cancel out the degrees. Let me take a different color. So as you can see, we can cancel out the degrees, and we're left with 90 pi over 180 radians. We are gonna divide both 90 and 180 by 5. 90 divided by 5 is 18, and 180 divided by 5 is 36. So now we can write it out as 18 pi over 36. Can we simplify it again? Yes, we can. So I'm going to be simplifying it by 2. 2 nines are 18, and 2 18s are 36. So yes, that's what we get. So can we simplify it any further? Yes, we can. By the way, you don't have to write it all out. You just have to do some mind math, and you just have to do some mind math. I'm just writing it out to show you how it actually works. So yeah. So now we get 9 pi over 18 radians. So can we simplify it any further? Yes, we can. We can simplify it by 3. So let's see what we get. 3 3s are 9, and 3 6 are 18. I'm going to simplify the 3 again. 3 1s are 3, and 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. So our answer will be pi over 2 radians. This is our answer. So now we are going to be solving pi over 4 radians. Go ahead and pause this video and solve this problem. So I've already wrote it out. So now I will be multiplying it by 180 degrees. Okay, I just need space. Okay, 180 degrees by pi radians. So now let's see. So as you can see, we have some things to cancel out. We can cancel out the radians and we can cancel out the pi. So now we get 180 by 4 degrees, which is equal to 40 degrees. We can also write it out like this: 40 degrees. Either way is fine. Both are same, by the way. Okay, so that's the answer. So now let's solve 2 pi over 3 radians. Let's multiply it by 180 degrees radians. We can cancel out the radians. We can also cancel out the pi's. And we'll be left with 2 by 3 multiplied by 180. So we can multiply 2 and 180 and we will get 360 over 3 degrees. So let's simplify this. 120 degrees. So this is our answer. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you to convert some degrees to radians and radians to degrees. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.